Do you guys want to know how to get all the soccer cosmetics in Animal Company? Well, I guess I'll show you. So the first one, or not really the first one that I want to show is up here. You'll see this net in the beehive, and this wool right here. I recommend you using Hookshot for all of these, so you can pick up the ball. You just have to pick up the ball and make it into the net. I couldn't make it into the net, but I already have it. So the next one is gonna be in stage 5. I'm coming all the way here just to show you. They also released a new little crater thing. And then here, all you need to do is pick up the ball with your hook shot and make it in there. You will get the Portugal shirt for that. I don't remember what other shirts you get, so. And the next one, you might need to. And the next one you need to get for a hook shot, and this, and beans. This is all of the 3 items that you need. So eat your beans with tools. Now go down in sewers. Follow where I go. Did they change it on me? There is down here. You need to come all the way down here. You're gonna come over to this one over here. Over here. Now grab your heart gun if your beans right now and get to the top. Or for hook shot if you don't have heart gun. If you don't, and then this one right here. And if you don't have a hook shot, just grab it from over here. Then grab the ball, and then see.